What if one AI agent could redesign your website, audit your SEO, and fix every issue in minutes? That's exactly what Claude Opus 4.6 does with the new design and SEO skills. In this video, I'll give you a demo and show you how to set it all up. Alrighty, let's get started with the demo. This is a basic website. We're going to use this AI agent to improve it, modify it, and it's going to take care of everything. So just over in Claude Code for desktop, I'm just going to put this prompt in. So for this project, and that's the project reference, can you update it to a modern dark theme, ensuring all elements contrast perfectly? That's all we need to do. Let's go. So Claude's just finished. Now we can take a look. Back on our site now, if I just press refresh, we should get the dark theme. And there we go. So in just one single prompt, we have converted light to dark, and it has done it quite well. You can see all the elements contrast. It's looking super professional, super modern. Now, previously, this could take hours, if not longer, to actually get the job done. So that is absolutely mind-blowing. So next, we're going to add a new page, because this at the moment is just a single page website. We're going to add a services page, and then we're going to get the agent to update the menu structure to make sure it's the same on the index page and our new page, which will be a services page. So back over in Claude, I'm just going to add another prompt in. For this website, could you create a new page called services and use the same theme and style and add the typical services for an AI automation agency? Update the index page header menu to include the services link and copy the header also for the new services page. So let's get this done. Awesome, that's finished. Now we can take a look. Back on our website, I haven't refreshed it, haven't touched it, so I actually don't know whether it's worked or not. I'm riding this with you guys. So let's refresh. Okay, well that's positive. I can see a services link. Let's go up the top here. Now if I click it, fingers crossed, we go to a new page. And there we go. So we have a new page. It's been added to our website just with 2 lines of text or so in a prompt. So we can quickly scroll down, just take a quick look what we offer. We've got all these elements here. They're all looking pretty cool. So that's nice. How we work, fantastic. I think this is excellent just to be able to do that autonomously with an agent. You can go and have coffee, go and do something else, and all this gets done in the background. All right, so next we're going to get into some really cool stuff. We're going to do an SEO audit, and we're going to make sure that this site ranks on Google. Alrighty, so back over in Claude Code, we're just going to ask it to do this SEO audit. So we just paste this here. Okay, do an SEO audit of my website you just updated. All right, the SEO audit has been done. Let's take a look. There's a whole lot of stuff in here, but I'm going to go to the summary table. Okay, quick wins, robots.txt, add a sitemap. We can also fix up some duplicates, fix the meta description and all that good stuff. Add a favicon, that would be handy. The Open Graph Twitter and meta tags. Okay, what's working well? A bunch of stuff. All right, look, at the end of the day, we just want our SEO fixed. So as it says here, would you like me to go ahead and implement the fixes? I'll just do the whole lot, right? So let's do phase 1 and phase 2. All right, let that run and we'll get it fixed. And you can see here, Claude Code is so cool. It's got the update the to-do list. So create the robots, do the local business and website, the Open Graph and Twitter cards, fix the duplicate, fix the other meta, add the favicon, improve the services with H1 and keywords, and then commit all of these changes so it publishes. Cool, so that's all run and it's given a summary of all the fixes that have been put in place, and it also did suggest a phase 3, which was adding a blog and improving the word count and some of the keywords across the page. But I'm not going to do that, but you can see the power of this skill that can be added to Claude Code. Now, it'll take about 1 or 2 minutes to deploy. Once it's done, we'll refresh and take a look. So I've just opened up the website in a different browser because Chrome has a habit of caching the favicon. So I've just refreshed it here. I'll refresh it again, and you can see that the image is now up here. We can also press Ctrl U if we want to see the other meta details on page load. So if we do this, we can see the title has been updated And also the description has been updated to conform with Google's best practice. And down below, we can also see the Open Graph stuff for Twitter and that kind of thing. So that is all done. Now I'm going to show you how you can set this all up for yourself. All right, so the first step is I'm actually going to really quickly build a website that can be modified with Claude Code, because you need a website where Claude Code can access the Git repository. And there are lots of builders out there now that allow this access. And one of them is gitpage.site. I'll show you how to build the site super quick. I'm just in the site builder. I'll go with a default website and I'll go in fast mode because we're in a hurry. Okay, select your language. I'm going to call it Melbourne SEO Agency. We're going to go with the same hero statement just to keep this quick. It's going to auto grab some features. It'll auto grab some benefits. Just add in a random email for the test. Okay, and it'll select a design system appropriate for that site. So we'll whiz through this and then we will do the Claude Code installation, add the skills, and then you are good to go if you want to use this system yourself. Okay, it's nearly finished. Then we can take a quick look. Alrighty, here's our site. And then I can actually look at it live on the web by clicking here. And here we go. We've got the example site, which Claude can interact with and modify, add pages, headers, footers, SEO, the whole thing. So let's get Claude set up. First, we need to install Claude for desktop. If you don't have it, just Google it and click the first link. And as you can see here, there is a link, new to desktop, get started. Click on this one. And on this page, you will see the install for Mac and the install for Windows. So just click on this and install it. Obviously, I've already got it, so we can move to the next step. When you've got it installed, you should see a screen that looks like this. At the top, it'll say chat. We don't want chat, we want code. So click over to code. Then you want to set yourself up a working directory. You can see I've already got one here, but if you click on it, you can add a working directory. All right, before we go further, we just need to understand exactly what a working directory is and what it means for updating websites and doing the SEO. So for your working directory, you have this file called a claude.md file, and basically it just contains a set of instructions that Claude Code will use when you're working in that folder. And in our case, it has instructions for Claude on how to interact with a Git repository, and that's where the HTML files are stored for our website. On the other hand, there's this thing called a skill, and when we install a skill, it doesn't matter which working directory we're in, this skill will be available if Claude thinks that it needs to use it. And we can get the skills by asking Claude Code to find skills for us. Now, if you want to get a copy of the claude.md file or the contents for it, they're available in my school community. There'll be a link in the description. You just come to the folder and take a copy of this and then paste it into the prompt in Claude Code and say, update the claude.md document with these instructions. So in our case, I would just prompt Claude Code with update the claude.md file with these instructions. And I would paste this in and it can decipher this and make a really clean claude.md file for us. I don't need to do it because I've already got them. Now, specifically for what we've been doing in terms of design and SEO, I have two skills installed. I have the front-end design skill, which is an official Anthropic skill, and I also have an SEO skill. First thing you want to do is just ask Claude to find skills. Now it's going to ask you to run the find skills command, so we'll just do that. Okay, so Claude has returned a bunch of skills for us to review. The actual SEO skill that I've installed, which you've seen in this video, is this one here, SEO audit. The other skill is not listed here, but it's called front-end design. So I'll just bring that one up so you can see it. Okay, I've just fast-forwarded a bit here just to make it super easy. I actually just asked Claude what skills I have, and it listed them out, find skills, which is a skill you need to find other skills. I've got the front-end design. There's about 100,000 installs of that at the time of recording. And there's this SEO audit. There's about 19,000 installs at the time of recording. The easiest method to get them, as Claude's explained here, is these three commands here. So even if you take a screenshot of this and then just ask Claude to extract the text and do the install, you'll be all good to go.